This video is going to show you how to use the interactive version of the Station Labs. The digital interactive file can be used as a PowerPoint file or uploaded to Google Drive and saved as slides format. You could use this version if your students are working remotely or if you have one-to-one devices and can't use or share paper materials. There's also a separate modified version noted here with the M that has a simplified reading passage, fewer stations, a word bank on the Assess It station, and simplified tasks throughout. So let's go ahead and download the dependent version right here, the on-level version. I've already got it open, so let me switch to it. And with this version, students open the file either within PowerPoint or Google Slides. You would have to import it into Google Slides and interact with it in normal edit mode. The difference with this method is that students will type their answers directly into the text boxes and manipulate shapes to complete the stations directly within this file. For example, let's take a look at this Organize It station here. Students will manipulate the boxes, so they're going to manipulate everything right within this file. So the sun's energy directly impacts ocean and wind currents. That is a fact. And they would manipulate everything from within the text boxes, any kind of manipulative pieces, and so forth directly within this file. When students are finished with the file, they should save it. If you're using Google Slides, then Google will automatically save it for you and then submit it back to you. We recommend scanning the slides for completion using the slide sorter view. So let me show you what that is. If you click on View up at the top, you can go to Slide Sorter, and you can check the Assess It station, maybe one other station, and you can kind of change that out each time you grade, just depending on what kind of grade you're getting. If you're looking for a completion grade, you could do it one way. If you're looking for a comprehensive grade, you could do it, however you're going to be grading these. You could. This is a good way to look at all the different slides in a quick way, and you can change. Let me get it up to the screen. At the very bottom right here, you can't see it on my screen. There is a zoom button that can go way in. You can see them in a bigger format. So the answer keys to the stations are at the end of the print version and the teacher directions file. So you'll find that, because remember, you're sending that file directly to the students. The teacher directions documents up here in the print version contain the suggested answer keys. And just one more note, I want to go back to the PowerPoint file. If you need to make any edits within this file, you're going to have to do that. I'm going to go back to normal mode. You're going to have to do that by going to the Slide Master view, which is you'll click View up top, click on Slide Master, and you'll be able to update any of these slides that you need to. There is one trick here, though, that if you do update these, you need to close this master slides out, because if you update this slide here and save it, your students are going to open the file within this Slide Master view, and you don't want them to. You want them to open it in normal view, which is the way it looks right here. So when you're done here, when you're done with the editing Slide Master, you would just choose this big red X here, Close Master, and you can send it off to your students. So this is the way that students are going to interact with the interactive Station Labs.